Stratos Pier RPC380. Is your home showing signs of foundation failures? Are you noticing sloping floors, cracks in drywall, or sticking doors? The Stratos Pier RPC380 is our concentrically loaded, unicentrically driven, heavy-duty residential pier. The RPC380 can handle any residential and light commercial applications. All of the Stratos Pier 380 models are built using our patent-pending torsion joint. This joint makes the RPC 380 the only truly adjustable, unicentrically driven pier on the market. Our unique, concentrically loaded torsion joint allows the footing to be off of level plane while retaining 100% contact and integrity of the pier's parts. While other piers can lose up to 98% of the contact surface between the pier's parts when the footing is not perfectly level. Our unicentrically driven, concentrically loaded pier goes directly below the wall of a structure. Our patent-pending coupled segments is hydraulically driven to bedrock or stable strata below the structure. With the RPC 380, there is no need to break the footing, and the load is carried directly above the pier. The Stratos Pier RPC 380 can be installed from both the interior or exterior of a structure's foundation, so customers and installers can choose the installation method that works best for their situation. All of the Stratos Pier systems are engineer designed and tested to meet ASTM standards, so you can be sure that the RPC 380 is engineered to work under pressure. For more information, give us a call or visit us online today at stratospier.com.